everyone, welcome to my get together. My name is Aleka. Today we are making a creepy, disgusting monkey brain shot or shooter, however you want to call it. It is actually pretty cool and involves some science to make this shot. And I have to say, because I did teach science for a year, I know what I'm doing. So what we need for our monkey brain shot is some vodka. Now, there's a little twist I'm throwing on this shot. Usually it's regular plain old vodka, but I'm gonna use vanilla vodka. You can use any flavor you want. Next, the Baileys or any Irish cream liqueur. It is what is absolutely necessary to make the brains brainy. So don't substitute that. Next, some lemon juice. Lemon juice is something that I'm always pushing to be freshly squeezed. So bottled will work, but freshly squeezed is better. And then finally, some grenadine, okay? Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 ounce of our vanilla vodka. And the trick I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually pour it into a separate glass, because this jigger is very hard to pour without making a mess. I'm gonna add that into my glass, my shot glass. This shooter is a little bit taller and skinnier, so you can see all the yucky disgustingness of the shot, but a smaller one like this would work just as well, or would work. So you can see it's about I'd say a third of the way full with vodka. Next, we're gonna add our lemon juice, and we're gonna do about a third to a half an ounce of lemon juice, okay? You can use less lemon juice if you want it less yellowy and more clear or transparent or see-through. And then finally, the brains. The Baileys or the Irish cream liqueur is what's gonna make the brains. When the liqueur interacts with the acidic component of the lemon juice, it's going to curdle and make the yucky brain, gooey, yucky stuff, whatever you want to call it, but it looks just like brains. The best way to do it is use a syringe. Where's my syringe? Okay, so this is the syringe that I got from Amazon. They're very inexpensive. They come in a pack of 6 or 10 or something. And it's a milliliter, so all you need to do is suck up about half an ounce, which is about 14 milliliters. And then we're going to stick our syringe into the liquid and then just squeeze it. And you can see, now you get the brain look to our shot. And then finally, we're gonna add our grenadine. This is the blood in the brain. I know it's disgusting, but it's gonna look pretty cool. So we're gonna add just a couple of drops. If you like it bloodier or a little sweeter, you can add more grenadine if you prefer. And there's our shot. For more party tips and recipes for entertaining at home, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Happy Halloween, everybody, or whatever party you're throwing.